Before you begin pumping, prepare a space that feels calm and comfortable. Sit down, adjust your chair, and place everything you'll need within reach: the breast pump, some water, a clean cloth, and a sweet photo of your baby. This peaceful setup helps you stay relaxed and focused while you provide nourishment with love and care. Clean, careful preparation keeps your baby safe. Wash your hands thoroughly, then assemble each part of the breast pump on a clean surface. Connect the bottles, tubing, and shields properly. Taking time for hygiene gives you confidence that every drop of milk will stay pure and healthy. Now, find your most comfortable position. Gently place the breast shields and start the pump on a slow setting. Breathe deeply, think about your baby, or listen to soft music. When your body feels relaxed, milk flows naturally. Remember, calmness is the kindest support you can give yourself. Watch as the bottles gradually fill, each drop a sign of your dedication. When pumping is finished, remove the bottles carefully and label them with today's date and your baby's name. Organization keeps feeding simple later. You're building a little storehouse of care and nourishment. Right after pumping, store the milk safely. Place each labeled bottle upright in the refrigerator or freezer. Keep the freshest milk at the front so you can use it first. This thoughtful routine protects your baby's food and keeps your effort fresh and ready for every feeding. Even while you're away, your baby stays close through the milk you lovingly prepared. A gentle caregiver bottle feeds your little one. The baby smiles, content, and nourished. Each feeding moment reflects your balance: working, caring, and loving, all beautifully connected.